Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care umbrella plant, only ways. Start by placing your umbrella plant in bright, indirect light, and rotate it weekly to encourage even growth. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry and water thoroughly until it drains from the pot. Maintain consistent humidity and avoid drafts. Feed monthly with a balanced liquid fertilizer during growing months and remove dead leaves to keep the plant healthy and tidy. For watering and soil, choose a loose, well-draining potting mix and a pot with drainage holes. Check the top inch of soil before watering and only water when it feels dry. During lower light or cooler months, reduce watering frequency to avoid soggy soil. If you see yellowing leaves, check roots for rot and repot into fresh mix if needed. Good drainage is the single most important factor for healthy roots. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more plant tips and care guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while gardening with the Oala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders for easy outdoor potting sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, it helps us make more content, and now let's get back to the video. Place the umbrella plant where it gets bright, indirect light, and avoid direct harsh sun that can scorch leaves. Boost humidity by misting leaves, placing a tray of pebbles and water beneath the pot, or using a small humidifier nearby. Rotate the plant monthly so all sides receive light and grow evenly. Keep it away from cold drafts and heating vents to prevent stress and leaf drop, and wipe leaves occasionally to remove dust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.